Hello friends, welcome to my channel Engineering Thought. I hope everything is going well. Today in this video we will learn about AutoCAD material adding part. So watch full video and don't miss the important part of the video. I already have a model of a TV unit. I will work on it. For adding material, type a command MAT and enter. It will open material windows. First of all, we should add materials for outer walls and floor, so we can easily see inside objects. Try the sweet color for walls. Add material. Select walls. Click on material. Here you can change finishing type. It's depend on type of object. I choose flat matte for walls. Also here option of application type. I choose roller type. Make its color slightly light. Second, add material for floor. There are lots of material available, you can choose any one as per your design. Let's try with this marble tiles. Add material and apply on floor. Adjust its size as per tile size for best fit. Or second option, you can add wood flooring material. Let's try with this wood material. Drag to apply. Adjust its size. Or third option, you can add any customized image material. Click here on image source. I already downloaded lots of images for such material. Here I will choose this tile photo. Adjust its size. Now we will add material on this TV table. I want to add white mica or white paint for this table. Let's find white paint. So choose it and add material. Select object and apply. Here you can change highlights type. I keep non-metallic for no reflection. There is a shelf inside this, so I have to add material on that. Also, you can change color appearance, light or dark. Now add material for this shutter. Add so duplicate the floor material. And a pulley on object. Change photo. Adjust its size. The material is reflecting, so control it by changing finishing type, unfinished. Similarly for floor. Now add material for its base 4 foot. I will add chrome steel material for this object. Let's add this chrome polished and apply. Finish type semi-polished. Now add color for this front glass. Try this glass, and apply. Also, you can change its color like black or brown. Now add material for PC. Find black plastic color. Add and apply. Finish type matte. Now for LCD material. Duplicate of any material contain photo. Rename and change photo by LCD image. Apply material and resize it with the size of LCD. Note down the size of TV LCD and adjust material size as per actual size. Here you can see we add all materials. By creating camera and environments control you can rendering it and see the final design. If you want to learn how to create and adjust camera you can watch my video on camera adding part. So, friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Share the video. Hope we will meet with new such video. Thank you for watching.